Hello everyone and welcome back. So in this video I'll be comparing Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro up against the Apple Watch Series 7. Before starting, I want to tell you guys that if you have an iPhone, just get the Apple Watch, and if you have a Samsung Galaxy phone or any other Android phone, then just buy the Galaxy Watch. It's that simple. But if you're thinking to change ecosystem of phones, then this video will help you to make a better purchase decision. So starting off with the boot up speed test. 3, 2, 1, go. On Apple Watch we have a dual core S7 processor with 1GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage, while Galaxy Watch has the same Exynos chipset from last year's Galaxy Watch with 1.5GB of RAM and 16GB of internal storage. Anyways, talking about hardware with about the same price tag, Galaxy Watch 5 Pro offers a 45mm titanium frame, while Apple Watch has an aluminum frame which is also 45mm in size. Glass on both smartwatches is amazing. It has nice outdoor visibility with enhanced scratch resistance, and always on display feature is present out of the box on both smartwatches. So here Apple Watch has started up first, but both smartwatches are pretty neck and neck. But this year Galaxy Watch 5 Pro has sapphire glass which has much better scratch resistance. This type of glass is only seen on Apple Watch Ultra, but that has a massive price tag of $800. Both have about the same dust and water resistance. Galaxy Watch 5 Pro has a better watch band which has its buckle mechanism, while Apple Watch has that traditional strap which takes a bit of time to wear and adjust every day. Battery life on Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is amazing. It packs a massive 590mAh battery, while Apple Watch has a 309mAh cell. From my day-to-day testing, Apple Watch gives about 18 to 20 hours of usage, while Galaxy Watch 5 Pro lives for about 48 to 50 hours with moderate usage. So hardware-wise, Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is definitely ahead of Apple Watch Series 7 and even the Apple Watch Series 8 that only has a new body temperature monitoring sensor which is also present on Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. But as of now, that sensor on Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is deactivated. Maybe with a future update, this sensor will be activated soon. Now talking about software. Both smartwatches are running on entirely different operating systems, but they have kind of same functionality. Auto workout detection feature is working a bit better on Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, and for my testing it was more accurate too. There is Siri on Apple Watch, and finally Google Assistant is available on Galaxy Watch. That works great as well. Galaxy Watch 5 Pro also has more workout modes, but I was surprised to see that there is no push-up workout mode on Apple Watch Series 7, while it was available on Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Also, Galaxy Watch 5 has body fat and blood pressure monitor which are not available on Apple Watch, but these features are dependent on region too. As we have slightly better apps on Apple Watch Series 7, while Wear OS is slowly getting that too. A ton of watch faces and customization is available for Galaxy Watch, but Apple Watch lacks it. So if you prefer to see a different watch face every day on your watch, then definitely go with Galaxy Watch. Talking about price, both smartwatches are available at around the same price tag of $450. You can definitely find some better deals on Apple Watch Series 7, as it's a 1-year-old smartwatch and it might be discounted in many regions. In the end, talking about my personal opinion, Galaxy Watch 5 Pro in this price tag offers better value for money. It has premium materials and better battery life. So if you're not in that Apple ecosystem, then do try out the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. It will definitely change the way how you feel about a smartwatch. So that was about it for today's episode, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.